Hey guys. So basically, today is, I'm not gonna say what today is, and I'm gonna be going somewhere that's a surprise. You're gonna see later after this shot, after this video. It's something really exciting. It's something that's gonna have my adrenaline pumping really, like I'm gonna have a serious adrenaline rush. It's gonna have a nice view. So wait and you'll see what it is. I might keep it until the end of the vlog. I'm not gonna show you the beginning of the vlog, but yeah, I'll tell you what's gonna happen later.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fantastic.
Would you mind explaining what you're about to do?
I'm gonna do a tandem jump, my first time. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not feeling it yet. I think I'm nervous, but I don't know. I'm just gonna go for it. We'll see how it goes.
That's awesome. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go and do it.
For one more day, I've been standing all night in the fire's light, waiting for the time to come when it all comes undone. Watch the sunrise through the sand between your toes. Let it carry you to another road.
Describe this experience.
No words. So, the experience was unbelievable and unforgettable, obviously. Hopefully, after I'm done with my studies, which is not done, not graduate done, when I have the cash and the time, I will apply for the course to take the full license. Hello. Hey, so today I'm meeting up with my friends, another group of friends. We're going to Global Village, which I've already been to this year, but it's about to close, so might as well just go one last time before it closes. What else? I'm heading off to pick up my friend Salah. Then I'm meeting up with the rest. Then have to head home early because it's my little sister's birthday. Yes, she was born in April's Fool. So Maha right here is on a food tasting spree. Yalla Maha. We're not gonna like get anywhere. We've been here how long? Since when?
You guys want to go have a walk and I'll be here.
Ashbia. Maha, what's wrong with the lady?
Just tired.
I'll have to translate all this.
You only speak English?
Yeah, all English all the time.
English, I don't know how to speak English.
Finally got to find these. No use, right? Useless.
Yes. It's nice.
It's totally not how to swing.
عن ضاع العطيرة. It's nice.
Maha.
It's nice.
Maha. Baha, what's your famous line? No matter what.
You don't joke.
No matter what.
No matter how much makeup she puts,
No matter what you wear.
or how much time she spends getting dressed, or what she wears, she goes to be ugly.
The guy with the goatee.
Massive beard.
With the Asian goatee. And did you name the pimple yet?
It's gone. It's dying.
Let's just not forget the gift.
Oh yeah, true.
Alright, thank
Wait, so what do you get for yourself? For yourself.
I wrapped
No,
it for myself.
wow.
Too.
Okay, you know what? Let me just show everyone. Let me just show everyone what you got. That exact box.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Hiba. Happy birthday to you.
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11?
Stop.
Here's the thing about me and my sister, youngest sister. We were both born on different occasions. I was born on Halloween. She was born on April Fool. And I remember on that day, my mom was delivering, and basically I pulled a prank on the same day she was delivering. I was like, yeah mom, I forgot the stove on when I left the house, when I was visiting her after she delivered. And then ever since, like, whenever my sister's birthday comes, it's just like we tease her all the time about not throwing her a birthday party. We didn't get her a gift or whatsoever. So yeah, happy birthday to you. Love you.